10 days ago, Speaker Pelosi not only refused to back up her accusations against our intelligence professionals, but she actually stood by her comments that they have repeatedly lied to her and lied to Congress. Now, the Speaker gets regular briefings from our intelligence professionals today. Does she still believe that they're lying to her? I made this request to the Speaker more than 2 weeks ago. Either offer proof that our intelligence professionals lied to her, or that she should retract that statement and offer an apology. And to date, she's done neither. She's done nothing to address the damage that she's left by her unsupported accusations. This is a matter, I think, that's serious and requires a bipartisan investigation to determine the facts. Republicans have requested that a bipartisan select committee of the Intelligence Committee be established to look at the issues that the Speaker has raised. Unfortunately, 10 days ago, House Democrats blocked this request for a bipartisan investigation. Now, let's be clear, these are serious allegations. Not providing proof to back them up is an affront to our intelligence professionals. And I'm disappointed that House Democrats continue to stonewall this investigation. And my hope is that the Speaker will step up and bring this issue to rest once and for all. My colleagues and I are prepared to continue to press this issue until it is resolved. Got time for a couple questions.
When you say that you're prepared to continue to press the issue, what does that mean? Does that mean you will offer a resolution?
That means all options are on the table.
When would you press this?
Like I said, all options are on the table.